The ninth and penultimate stop on this year's ITU World Championship Series was in Edmonton, Canada. Situated on the North Saskatchewan River, the city is home to over 1 million people and is Alberta's second largest city. South Africa's Richard Murray was racing for the first time since finishing third in the Rio Olympic test event. Over the sprint distance and in wet, chilly conditions, the wetsuit swim over 750 metres was off to a brisk start, and Frenchman Raoul Shaw was quick to get himself a slight advantage at the head of the field. But Russia's Igor Polyansky, a recent winner in Tishuivaros, wasn't too far behind. Shaw, Polyansky and the USA's Eric Lagerstrom were first out of the water to head up a steady stream of athletes heading for T1. Shaw was soon ready to go on the 20-kilometre bike and in a 6-man lead group that also contained Australia's Aaron Royal and fellow Frenchman Vincent Louis. The lead group soon swelled to 15, but Spaniard Mario Mola found himself around 25 seconds back in the chase group. But it didn't take long for the gap to be bridged, and 43 athletes came together for the final part of the race, with Mola having done an immense amount of work to catch up. Australia's Ryan Fisher tried to get away on his own, but that only spurred the others to increase the pace as they completed the final lap. A large group made it back to T2, with Slovakia's Richard Varga leading them in. But as they set off on the 5-kilometre run, Murray had ridden his way into contention and was soon at the front of the field. The South African built up a small lead, but ominously Spain's Javier Gomez-Noya was lurking right behind him. Gomez-Noya, the current series leader, had won in Stockholm last time out, as he looks to become the first athlete to win 5 World Championships. Murray kept his focus, affording himself the occasional glance to see where his nearest challenger was. Mario Mola has produced some fine run splits this year, and he was moving through the field and was only 7 seconds back with 2 laps to go. But Murray held on and summoned up every ounce of energy to keep Gomez at arm's length and showed his obvious delight as he crossed the finish line, with the Spaniard unable to mount a late challenge. It was the South African's first WTS win since Hamburg in 2012 and moved him up to 4th in the overall rankings, with 1 race to go in Chicago. Gomez had to be content with silver, while Mola ran himself through for 3rd place and his 5th WTS podium of the year. Spaniards then 2nd and 3rd, but a delighted Murray took his place on top of the podium after a gritty performance.
Construction and Ali Flanagan, President, Amalgamated Mining.
Been a while, hasn't it? 2012 in Hamburg. It's just your 2nd win. This been a long time coming.
It has. You know, it's I had a bit of issues at the start of the day, and it kept on going. I broke my cap at the start of the swim when we were standing there. I broke my swim cap, so a lot of things were going hard. So I had to give it everything in the end.